Oh my god. Welcome back everyone to my channel. I feel like a broken record. I'm like, oh, don't worry, I'm gonna be back on my schedule and blah blah blah, and then like literally every single time that I like say that and then I come back, it's like life is happening and I can't control it. And it's oh hi, and it's like literally every single time that I came back, real life is happening, and I can't always like let that affect me. And I had actually a video prepared for October. Actually, I had a couple videos for October, including how to do a Halloween look under, what was it, under $10 Halloween look, like last minute, and it ended up not happening. But happy note, as you guys know, I'm like a really huge Disney / princess fan. I'm wearing my Disney shirt, so you can see like the ears here. So as you guys know, Colourpop released a collab with Disney, and it's called the Designer Collection, and this collection is like very princessy, and who really knows me knows like my favorite princess is Cinderella. So I finally got it. So last minute, I'm gonna go through and do swatches, and I'm just gonna do like first impression using the Colourpop collection. I will do a swatch video over to my Instagram, so make sure you follow me so you can, if you don't want to watch like the entire video here, you can click out and then click on the link and it will send you to my Instagram, which I'll just do swatches of what I got, and I'm gonna tell you what I got now. The palette looks like this. The shade names are back here, and I'll read them to you. It's from left to right, starting at the top row: Chip, Juju, Grumpy, Triton, Abu, Prince Charming, Ray, Fairy Godmother, One Kiss, Thingamabob, Enchanted Rose, Poison Apple, Magic Carpet, Beast, and Midnight Curve. The packaging carton has like the same kind of pattern that the palette background has. Oh, the palette has the shade insert in the back too. This is the back of the palette, and this is the front of the palette. These are the shades, and this is the top of the palette. For Shock Shadow, I'm just showing the castle, but this is how it looks. The box, it has like that same gold kind of foil, and it's like this. It has the collab logos there. It has the little Disney trademark here. It has the same background inside as well, and it is black, not like the normal Shock Shadows that are white like Colourpop. This is how This Is Love, So This Is Love looks like. Very cute, with a very dirty Wet n Wild brush. I'm gonna take Chip, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Okay, so after Chip, I'm gonna take Grumpy, and I'm gonna put that with the same little brush. Now that I put Grumpy in my lid, I'm gonna go ahead and take a smaller blending brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. This one is, wow, why did I say BH Cosmetics? Really weird now. But this is a number 6 one. This is from like a set, and this was, I guess, number 6. I'm gonna take Juju. Did I take that yet? No, I'm just gonna pinking this up a little bit more. Now I'm gonna take Abu, and I'm gonna do that from my crease, outer V to my crease. You might be my new fave palette. Okay, I feel like I should take a little bit of either Beast or Magic Carpet and put it right in this little corner here, and then push the shadow. I'm thinking, let me see. Honestly, either, but I'm gonna take Beast. I think that's all I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna get carried away. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of Midnight Curfew, and I'm just gonna dab it right in this inner, right here, like in between. I like this a lot, actually. Okay, moving on. Now I'm gonna take the Shock Shadow, but first I want to use my fingers because I want to see how it acts alone. So I'm gonna do my right eye with my finger, and then I'm gonna try it with a brush. So I just took, so this is Love, and I'm just gonna, oh my god. Yes, this is so cute. Enchanted, oh yes, Enchanted Rose, and I'm gonna put that right in between that matte shade that we put here, and I'm just gonna lightly pack that in right here with a clean finger. Now that I have those two colors, I think I'm gonna stop there because I want to get into Thingy-Mabob or Prince Charming. I think I might do Prince Charming, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner right here, and then under my brow bone. I just put, I don't know if it was filming or not, but I just put right underneath my brow bone, and I said if I just highlighted, I just put some more, but if I just highlighted my hairs, ooh. So today I'm going to be using Dodo lashes in the style D115. I do have a coupon code for them, so don't forget to use it if you want to buy these or maybe another style. So I'm just going to pop these on and I'll be right back. What do you guys think about lashes with this look? I really like it. Packaging is the same thing with the Super Shock Shadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take it out and compare. So cute. Look at it. Very. And I chose this one out of the other ones because obviously I'm gonna take the highlight, and as I was saying, that I like to, out of all the shades that they had, I'd grab this one because I always like my highlights to be a little golden undertone with the yellow. Oh, that's cute. That's definitely cute. Because of my skin tone. And let's move on to the lips. For the lips, I'm gonna swatch all three, and then I will see which one I'm gonna wear with this look. I really wanted the lips literally just for the names. Beepity Boppity Boo. So I'm gonna show you guys the carton. The carton has the same like background as the inside of the carton and the palette, which is like the back and the stars in different colors. Cartons look like this. And I think they're all lip glosses. Yeah, they're all lip glosses. So I'm gonna swatch them in order of name, and we'll decide which one is my fave. So these are the three lip glosses. This is Beepity Boppity Boo. It's kind of slanted because I was swatching with my left hand. But the Beepity is a clear lip gloss with gold reflux. Then we have Boppity. It's just more of a corally orange gloss, and then Boo, which I really love. It's like a mauvey pink, so this is how it reflects. bamboo. So cute. It has stars on the what is this called? Gloss bottle. It's really cute. I love how everything is like, I love this. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end and watching the entire video. It was kind of a long video, but my end results slash thoughts, obviously I was gonna love it, but what really impressed me was the shock shadow and the palette. Like, this palette is so versatile. Like, you can do such a natural neutral look but like amp it up right away, because it has so many different types of like darker tones that you don't really see. It has like different reflux, so it goes really well, but like all the colors go together, so you can never go wrong. And the shadow, super shock shadow, I mean, they're always mad cute, but I absolutely love it, especially the packaging. But you know, end of the day, you gotta look how it looks on yourself. So yeah, those are my final results. I absolutely love this collab. Thank you guys so much for staying to the end. Thank you guys so much for watching and enjoying the content that I put out. Be on the lookout, because I also got a new collab, actually a holiday, I can't speak. I got a very limited edition holiday collection. If you can guess what cosmetic company it is, put it in the comments down below. I'm gonna have like the question up here. If you guys are like watching this and you can't hear me, what holiday set from my cosmetic line do you think that I'm gonna review next? So put that in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not done so. Don't forget to also click on that bell icon so you're notified every single time that I upload, whenever that is. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.